The witch visited the Snow White's cottage.
Is anyone there? Please open the door.
She came up with a clever idea, hiding an apple inside the fridge.
Ha! How does it know? This?
Oh my!
This? And this? This too? What a magical refrigerator!
A while later, the Snow White and the dwarfs returned home.
No way!
Bespoke AI refrigerator is gone.
Bixby! Bixby! Give me the recipe for the most attractive of all.
The Queen's Healthy Beauty was made by Bespoke AI refrigerator. Enabling better living, Bespoke AI.